Hey there, let me show you today how to change the battery on these smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Some people call it smoke detector. Okay, this one is gonna be connected to the power on the electricity. So in order to change the battery, you slide this door just like that. This is the old battery, which is dead. You're gonna just lace it. Make sure the door is all the way back. There is a battery just like that. And in the battery, if you look here, it's gonna be different. There's negative, which is this terminal, positive, which is this terminal. And if you look down there, it's also labeled the same way. Remember, this is gonna be electric connected, so when you connect to the electricity, you can still use it, but when the power is out, you're not able to use it. Also, when you don't put the battery and decide to use only electricity, you cannot be able to close this door for security purpose, so that they know, whoever sees this open, they know there is no battery, so there is no way to close this door. The only way you can close it is to cheat this system that you actually have a battery by pressing down here. If you press this, now you're able to close it. You have to keep pressing in order to close all the way. But why close without installing new battery? Keep it open until you have new batteries. Here's a new battery, and to install, remember, negative terminal and the positive terminal. Line it up. So negative should be that way. So this is negative, and negative is right there, so it will go just like that. Make sure it's seated correctly. Push a little bit, and now it's seated. Once it's seated, now you can be able to close the door all the way, just like that, and then reset. All right, I think it's reset now. If you think I'm doing what is not right and you have more information, leave it on the section, the comments section down below. I'm just gonna go install it and I guess move from there. It's a new battery, so I'm not going to install it and then see what happens. So if you look up here, you see this connection here. It has 3 holes right there. So even our smoke detector here, if you look closely, has 2 terminals. So all we're gonna need is to line them up. Once you line them up, it's gonna be just easy to hook it up. You can't go wrong with that. And it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.